Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Proven Properties is expanding its presence on Jamaica's north coast with the release of 15 studio units at its sole Harbour development in Ocho Rios. The units, which were previously held back from the market, are now being offered for sale and occupancy is slated for the first quarter of 2026. This decision comes as the company reports what it calls a strong demand for both investment and vacation properties in the area.
When we talk about a solid investment, this is it. Saul Harbour. There has been nothing of its kind in Ocho Rios Central for over 12, 15 years. And you can imagine what sort of investment possibilities this will bring to the table.
Proven Properties has developed several high-end residential and commercial projects over the years with the region's changing real estate market in mind.
So our growth has been deliberate and structured around 4 strategic pillars that drive our business. Firstly, proven wealth, empowering individuals and institutions to build and manage their wealth with confidence and expertise. Proven bank, offering secure, reliable, client-focused on- and offshore banking solutions across the region. Proven Properties, developing, and I'm sure you've seen them, iconic luxury properties in Jamaica. We did some properties in Cayman. We're in Barbados now doing some developments, and there are more to come.
They were speaking at a recent event hosted by Proven Wealth. The JSE index declined by 573 points today, while the junior market index decreased by 13 points. Among the winners, MFS Capital Partners, R.A. Williams Distributors, Lasco Distributors, JMMB Group 10% variable preference shares, and Productive Business Solutions 10.50% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shares. The losers were led by Pulse Investments, Jetcon Corporation, Margaritaville Turks, Key Insurance Company, and G West Corporation. 24 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.09. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.27. The pound is going for $219.14, while the euro is selling for an average $187.63. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.